Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make a delicious vegetable biryani that'll surely become a favorite in your household. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh and vibrant vegetables to make this biryani truly special. First, we have 1.5 cups of basmati rice, soaked for about 30 minutes. Soaking the rice helps it cook evenly and gives it a fluffy texture. Next, we need 1 cup of mixed vegetables. You can use carrots, peas, beans, or any other vegetables you like. The more colorful, the better. For that aromatic base, we'll use 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our biryani. And of course, 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. This spice mix is the heart of our dish, giving it that authentic biryani taste. We'll also need 2 to 3 green chilies, slit lengthwise. Adjust the number of chilies based on your spice preference. And don't forget 4 cups of water and salt to taste. Finally, fresh mint and coriander leaves for garnish. These herbs add a burst of freshness and a pop of color to our biryani. Oh, and don't forget oil or ghee for cooking. Ghee gives a richer flavor, but oil works just as well if you prefer. Now let's get cooking. This is where the magic begins. First, heat some oil in a pot over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the onions. Once it's hot, add the sliced onions and sauté them until they're golden brown. This should take about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Give that a good mix and let it cook for a couple of minutes until the raw smell disappears. Now, add your chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they're nice and soft, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. It's time to bring in the veggies. Mix in your cup of mixed vegetables and the biryani masala. Don't forget to season with salt to taste. Stir it well. Now add the soaked rice and 4 cups of water. Bring this to a boil. The water should cover the rice and vegetables completely. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover the pot to reveal perfectly cooked, fluffy rice. The aroma will be irresistible. For the finishing touch, garnish your biryani with fresh mint and coriander. These herbs not only add a burst of fresh flavor, but also make the dish look beautiful. And there you have it, a beautiful, aromatic vegetable biryani ready to be served. Pair it with some raita or a simple salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy your meal. Happy cooking!